Next up, Mind Control Act 2 Tier 5. In this we need to turn 20 zombies with the Brain Rot ammo mod and let Brain Rot zombies kill 25 other zombies. Pretty simple. For this we need to head across to Aether nests and infested strongholds, such as this one here, where inside of them, in the crystal chests, we'll find hopefully some ammo mods and possibly even a brain rot mod as well. That being said, they have a medium rate of spawning in any. You can also find them in merc caches and things like this, but anyways, they have a medium chance of spawning a weapon mod, and unfortunately even less of a chance of giving you the correct one, as I'm pretty sure it's an equal chance to get any one of them. Anyways, for now we'll be running around for quite a long time. Alright, so the best place to get these would be, say, infested strongholds and little aether nests. When you come across to these, you'll essentially find a whole bunch of these orange cysts. All you need to do is destroy all of them, and once they're all gone, the crates inside will unlock. Now, hopefully you'll find this inside of the first building that you go to, but odds are you probably won't. Hopefully you're not like me, where you spend probably a few hours just trying to find this one mod. That can be incredibly annoying. Anyways, we'll quickly destroy this, and with this nest done, we'll check inside of the box, and no, we got weapon mods, but not the ones that we need. We're looking for the one with a skull on it. Anyways, for now, the only thing we really can do is try and look through multiple nests, and of course, random merc caches that we find all around the map. Hopefully, eventually you'll find exactly what you're looking for. You can also probably get it from the orbs that float around in the sky, maybe HVTs and other missions when they give you a reward in that purple sphere. But hey, for example, finding and killing an HVT zombie should maybe give us some kind of a reward. There we go, inside of here. You can sometimes find it, but oftentimes not. Anyway, finally. It actually took us the entire game to find this. I unfortunately don't think that we can keep it to next game though. Okay, so what do we need to do? We need to turn 20 zombies. And okay, let's just do it now. I'm going to put it on my powerful gun. Might be a mistake. And we'll just start going. Cool, so we turned one, but there's nothing around. Maybe. There we go. There we go. So unfortunately, you can't really turn more than one at a time. You need to sort of just kill one, or at least turn one and wait for it to die before you can spawn in another one. That's pretty much the only one bad thing about this. If you need a ton more zombies, simply head to an exfil. As this game is starting to end, I think I should head all the way up to the northern exfils somewhere up here and continue farming the rest of the kills there. Usually, if you call it an exfil, there's 1,000 zombies that come for you. All you need to do is stay alive and just spam into the crowd. That's it. You can get kills very quickly, and lots of them at that. So for now, let's just mark a highway or a road and get up north. Almost getting killed by a couple of bots. That's not the key that I'm pressing, but anyways, let's just continue this way. And I suppose we can be turning some zombies on our way. Doesn't really matter. We'll turn that one and let him get a few kills. We've already turned 4 out of 25 and we've got 7 out of the rest kills. So we'll wait for this hellhound teammate to die and we can go for the next one. It's not really a way of forcing this on, I don't think. So it's sort of just a matter of spamming until one pops in. There we go. This one turned. Let's let him get a kill here. Over there too. But I think that's probably about it. Okay, let's carry on north. We're now at 5 and 11. Sweet. Oh, actually 5 and 13. So you probably don't really need to worry about the kills. It's just a matter of turning them that you have to focus on and finding that brain rot mod. As soon as you do, by the time you've turned 20 of them, you'll have definitely killed probably at least 25 zombies using the brain rotted infected zombie. Anyways, keeping our original plan of heading up to the exfil, could probably stop by here for a few more. There we go. That was actually really quick. And we're already at 15 out of 25. Maybe get up to 20 in this little group here. Actually, definitely we're almost at 20. Let's see in this group. There we go. That one turned. Chop. There goes another one. 20, 21. Can you reach this one? Of course not. Nope. 22. And heading into a tier 1 with a level 2 pack-a-punched weapon. Kind of crazy, but we are still able to turn them. Even if you instantly melt them, you can probably turn a few of them. So it's not really too much of a hassle. It's just a matter of waiting around for the actual effect pop, which could take some time. So would I avoid headshots? Well, I probably wouldn't be too bothered about it. Just make sure you absolutely do not click another effect in your inventory, otherwise you'll overwrite this and have to find yourself one once more. We've turned 8 out of 20 and we're at 23 out of 25 killed by turned zombies. So we'll just keep on going. For now, I'm heading all the way to the exfil. It's not exactly the most open one, but it should still do its purpose. We turned another one up there, so we'll wait for him to die. And of course, infested strongholds are probably also a good place to come check. You'll be in them anyways. Unfortunately, not a single turn in here, so this is probably also mostly luck-based. I'll swap my weapon just to make sure I don't click anything by accident. And now we'll head to the exfil, call it in, and with plenty of time to spare, we've turned 9 out of 20, so hopefully we can turn another one soon before the time time runs out. There we go, we turned another one. Now we just need to stay safe until this one dies. I can still kind of see him. I think he's wearing a blue shirt, and I think he's gone. Alright, let's go for the next group. I don't think there's a timer cooldown on this, but there might be. And there we go, we turned another one. It's probably maybe 20 seconds in between getting to use the ability. Not too sure. Anyways, this one's bugging around over there, and eventually pop. Now we'll wait maybe 15 seconds, so we'll see, and get a few more kills here. I think these zombies have finished, so we'll let this thing go. And we have 14 minutes to get another 9 of these. A bit stressful, because, well, we're not actually getting more. I think the exfil will be somewhere in the northwest side of the map, so for now we'll just hang around, wait for the smoke to reappear. We have a vehicle somewhat nearby, and, oh, actually this is taking a long time. Might even be worth just driving around. Well, for now we'll call it in. Then I think we'll get going to the next one and just taking out groups generally on the road. There we go, we turned another one for this one to die, and once it does, maybe until 13:10, so a solid 20, maybe 30 seconds, and we'll start spraying again. Also, we don't want these things crushed by the helicopter. Okay, let's do it again. We're getting the elemental popping, but no zombies turning just yet. There we go, another one turned. That was probably 30 seconds. Turned pretty much exactly at 12:50, so we'll wait until 20, keeping as many zombies as possible, and we should hopefully be able to turn another one. So 6 seconds, and let's do it again. Could also just be luck-based. I think it might be luck-based. Alright, let's grab ourselves a vehicle and keep looking around for random groups of zombies while we make our way to the northwest side. Doesn't really matter if we die here, as long as we get this done. We need 7 more done, which seems a bit like something that may be unlikely. Oh, there we go. We got one more, so we need 6. That was 37, I'd say. Let's just shoot a few more of these. Hopefully it's not every 100 zombie kills or something. I don't really know what this would be. There we go. This one popped. We're at 14 now, so we'll wait for him to die. And once he does, let's go for the next one and carry on driving. Hey, we got another one. All right, we need another 4. This seems more and more doable, but time is definitely running out. That one's still running around for now, and he's gone. Carry on. Hope we get another one soon. There we go. Another one turned. All right, let's just continue. All right, let's see. There we go. Another one. We need another 3. All right, all right. So we'll need to wait for this one too. I don't think we can turn mercenaries, so we'll just leave them. Don't really care for them. Continue looking. We really are cutting it close. Okay, there we go. 2 more. We'll just keep waiting here for you. Poof. All right. Carrying on northwest. Player need. I suppose. Why not? Here we go. We turned another one. So we have 1 more to turn, which we should definitely get. Is this man going for the exfil? He is. Got another one. Is that it? That is it. Cool. We've now finally finished mind control, an incredibly annoying mission to say the absolute least. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.